Good morning and welcome back to the channel. Got some new gloves. They are the Milwaukee's. Milwaukee. Not a bad price. 15 bucks at my local Home Depot. So yeah, not a bad price. Really, it's not. That's plastic. There's a lot of water in there still. All right, well. Come on. It's an okay start. Well, let's see how these fare today. Treadmill. Well, it's the bike style treadmill, but hey, treadmill nonetheless. I don't want to use this gate. I think it's getting itself about to have some problems with it, so I'm gonna try not to use that gate as much as possible anyway. So far, I mean, the gloves are nice, but these are extra large, and if I they're not really superbly extra large in my opinion, but yeah, no. In other words, I guess my hands could use just a little bit more space. Ultra soft. Yep. Starting off with another big item. A little rotted out there. No propane tank. Yeah, we'll give it a second life as a car door or something. It's light too. Like it's really light actually. Really light. The rain's starting to move in. As long as we're not getting no serious weather, we all right. It's picked up a tad bit as far as the rain wise. There again, not enough to really make us question what we're doing right now. Like grabbing an umbrella. I think the grill's gonna come this way and the treadmill's gonna go that way, and then I'm gonna try to fit the, I don't know. 2 big items right away. Well, 3 big items. Those are stackable, so. How bad does a microwave gotta be to put it in a bag? That's a thought, isn't it? Well, it's already cut for us. All right, let's play with the microwave for a second. It's a big one too. Tray's gone. Let's take a look in this box just to be safe. Make sure there's nothing else good in here. No. Okay. We'll take the jumbo microwave. I about missed them. I about missed them. They are soggy. Okay, yeah, they are the used stuff. What we got in here? Anything? No, no. They only did one side? Strange. Nope. Alright. We'll take the one for sure. Keep them in the box. Keep it in the box. Oh. Bought it and changed the brakes. Chair. Oh yeah. Well, the grill decided to fall over. We'll get that managed in just a minute. I don't think that's too bad. I guess the issue is so we know the dishwasher isn't exactly heavy. The Treadmill's got some decent weight, but that grill, I don't know. And then now we got another grill. Oh Lord. I mean, I'll take it, but like it's it may be not a great idea. Because we're filling up on larger items and they're not really heavy items. So that may bite us. Now, if we find a bunch of smalls, we definitely have little cubbies that we can work with, but I don't know how many more of that type of stuff I want right now because it is so light. So light. Might have some aluminum here. Aluminum. Yeah, no, that's good stuff. That's kind of stuff that I don't mind finding quite often. We get to stomp it too. Stomp, stomp, stomp. Hold it. Now they make the plastic stuff, and to be honest with you, it gets me more than it should. It's you're driving, you'll be seeing a pile of this stuff and you're like, oh man, yeah, we got some aluminum. Go and look at it and plastic. I normally don't put that, to be honest. Probably be kind of funny. See me struggling every now and then with that. Oh man, it's got a concrete pipe. I'll leave it. Like I said, we got plenty of room for smalls. We just gotta find smalls now. Cut my brass. I'll probably take that actually. Nothing a sawzaw probably can't work on to get it back right. I'm glad the rain's holding out. Like I said, we can work with this. Did drop in temperature quite a bit though. I don't know. Maybe I can cut it or something. I don't know. Maybe I'll go a shred. Dirty aluminum? Maybe. I don't know. Anything else? Got some aluminum? We'll take it. I think we got a gazebo here, which is probably one of the heaviest things we picked up today. We're keeping it in the bag because, well, that's the smart thing to do. Piece of aluminum. Yep, that's heavier than I thought. I like it. The grill decided to fall because it's super light. Probably tried to float off in the wind. And it fits there really well. I like that stop. Get a truckload of those. I have no idea what this is. Don't even know if it's scrap. Don't know. Is it open? With a hammer it will. I guess I'll cut the tubes off and we'll take it for experimental purposes because I want to know what's inside of it. What's going on in the back? Experimental purposes. New segment. Seen some the wire rack shelving thingies that I realized was actually pretty pricey the other day when I looked at them in Home Depot when I was looking at gloves. But like, I've tried to sell this stuff before. This stuff don't sell because people that actually need it just goes to Home Depot and buys it and not realize that they can buy it off probably Marketplace or something. It's a need type thing, right? But no, we'll continue. Got us a bicycle. Got us a TV too, but I don't take TVs. So just like that for now. Guess I'll take the cord off the TV. Actually, I'll leave it. But it's been raining so much, so the chances of it working, what, slim to none? Yeah, I'll take the cord. It's better than letting the whole thing go. Works. All right. Taking a glance, don't think any of this is metal. It's probably all plastic. Plastic. Shoes, plastic. Garbage. Computer chair. No thank you. I've already got enough of them. Oh, man. I don't want to sit in it. It's wet. I'll take it. Looks like it's in okay shape, so go to sleep. Okay. Well, I stopped for that thinking it was metal, but you know, plastic and metal can't look the same. We got us a fan, almost taken all the way apart for us too. So really won't have much work to kind of finishing it off, right? I'm about to probably wrap this video up. It's an okay load. Yeah, it could be better, but I called my welder friend, and he's able to get me in today to weld that gate up and get it back right. So that's a little high on my priority to-do list, you know, I guess as it should be. So probably going to be finishing up here in a second, and gonna go get that fixed. And so So that way I don't have no problems with the gate again. That would be ideal in my opinion. So I do like these gloves for like this. The other ones were a bit tight. I'm not gonna sit here and do this. I'll take the blades with me. I don't want to stay in front of someone's house too long. And they just cranked up their car, so yeah. That goes there. So I am going to finish out kind of the route that I'm on, because he's going to be there in a few. So we got us a vacuum cleaner. Looks pretty clean. Cord has been cut. I did see a scrapper this morning. I didn't think there's going to be anyone else out here because of the weather, but really it's not bad. Like, nice, cool. It's not raining like I thought it was going to be. Scrap's not everywhere, but we're getting a load. Yesterday was microwaves. I guess we did find one microwave, so that does count. But today seems to be the fans. The fans, which we'll do. We'll take. Oops. Crunch. A little more compact. We're back. So I did actually go get the gate fixed, which is remarkable. Didn't take that long, not really. So this toaster is already toasted. Is that a motor? That is a motor. What else is in this thing? I don't really want the plastic. That's probably aluminum. Take that. No, I went there and he threw a pin in it. Yeah, it's aluminum. That's metal. Cutters. Threw a pin in it. Didn't take him long at all. And didn't charge me nothing either, so he's really awesome. Got anything else? Looks like we're pretty good. Pretty good. But no, he didn't charge me for anything to get whatever done to it, and you know, he made a comment that he just must not have welded it good enough. I think he did. You know, we're in the, we break stuff around here, so what we do. Sticks. We know this don't. That's probably not. Oh, sticks too. All right. We'll take it. No, we got something here. What is that in there? What is that? Just an exhaust. I mean, we'll take it. I was hoping for the good old catalytic converter. Catalytic. Look, they threw them out because that's a pain in the butt. Got two of these here. Come on. Come on. Alright, pretty much broken apart for us. That'll be fine. That'll be good. Yeah, I know it's aluminum, but I can go back there for now. And might not be aluminum actually. May not, maybe the frame of those, and this is aluminum. One way to find out. Yeah, they're still. That's aluminum though. Some wire. Oh, went over it. One hand here. All right, I'm gonna kind of get this stuff kind of somewhat better than what it is, and we'll be right back. Second bike, the Panama Jack kind. And I got another one down there. I don't know if y'all can see it. Can y'all see it? There you go. So we're gonna grab two more bikes anyway. One. I just and two. I don't want the plants with it. Yeah, no, that can go too. Up. Better. 3 bikes, 2 grills. See what else. We got a computer case. It just looks like a case though. Ew. It's got some wires on it. I guess I'll throw it back here for now. What else we got? I've seen a few of those actually. There's actually nothing in them. The one I took apart was actually pretty lackluster. So, take some pans. I didn't know there was gonna be this much here. What else? Looks like there's a mirror there. That's gonna be fun to play with. The opposite side. Anything? There's a chair up under here. What is this? It's another cord. All right. Gonna have to make a few trips. I don't want to be here too long. All right, that's good. Empty. I think we're good. Slipping. Better. Well, alright. Let's put this over here at least. Put this over here at least. Back over there. All right, a little bit better. We was just down there and now we're here. Don't really know what this thing is for. Yeah, that's gonna be another on the back of the truck deal. Just because it's no good because it's soaking wet, but see what's inside of it. Take this plate off and yeah. All right, well, turned into a little bit more than I thought now. We're starting to sprinkle again. Not enough to stop us on our mission. Man, I really did think that looked rusty to me. But little rain's not gonna stop us on the mission to get a load today. What else we got? Take the ends. That's actually what I used to do a long time ago. Finishing sheetrock. All right, well, we'll continue. Those are metal, so we got some work to do. Oh my Lord. I mean, I could just throw these on top and just strap. Yeah, that's what I'll do. We don't want to leave this behind. No, we do not. I watch it be aluminum or something stupid. I call it that, but you know, be a pretty good load of aluminum. That's aluminum. Well, it's still going on top because I don't have no room on the truck. I just, oh my Lord, help me. That's a lot of aluminum. Oh, it's got good weight to it too. Tire needs to come down. I don't think I'm gonna put that down. Let's see here. Well, I may just try to sell it off the top today at the yard if I go. Because I don't really know. I mean, God, they're nice though, really, aren't they? All right, well. They're aluminum. All right, I'm gonna get my strap, get that strap down, and we'll keep going with this. We'll keep going. I know I'm still recording, it's just something on my mind. It's all plastic. Okay, let me get this strap down. I'll be right back. Well, I'm not taking the grill. I'm just kind of almost out of room, unfortunately. We'll take this. I can find a spot for that, I imagine. Or maybe not. Sure. Should be able to get it down in here. Get in there. to work. Not getting the grill. Dinner plate. Some smalls. We got a ladder. Sticks. Keeping the ladder. If it will work with me. If not, I'll throw it out at the scrapyard. Work with me. That thing's actually in the way. I don't even know what it is, to be honest. Thingamajiggy. Sure. All right. Make this a little bit neater. Book on top of it. A little piece of metal in the process. Luggage is empty, wet. All right, a little bit better. Microwave, sure. It's a big one. We got a little bit of maybe thunder, I don't know. Maybe something along them lines somewhere. Come on. Got a mess to clean out in the truck. This load may go ahead and go. Don't know if I'm gonna try to get rid of the aluminum just yet. Got a lot of things I don't know quite yet. So we added a good bit. I'm not gonna sugarcoat it. I'm glad we came back out when we got the trailer fixed. That was not a bad idea. I'm gonna take, don't know what I'll do with the aluminum yet. I'm gonna see if I can get clean for it. There's a few brackets here and there that's not aluminum, but it's not gonna, it wouldn't, if they're gonna deduct me too heavily on it, I'm probably just gonna take it home and just take the brackets off. It's not like they're Allings or anything, so should be able to just zip them out with simple Phillips head and be done with it. So it's kind of my thoughts on that. I've been kind of pondering on what to do with them. It's kind of crazy that they're all aluminum. I thought about maybe trying to use them on a project I got going, maybe, but then I was like, you know something, then I'd have to figure out how to find something that would match it, I guess, because it's not enough for the project I need. So I don't know, I have to take a look at it. I have to really kind of ponder it for a minute, and you know, that's more of a honey-do list type deal. So wife's got to be okay with it too. It's a weird thing, you know. My wife, she'll be like, whatever it takes to get it done, you know, and look good, then she's fine with normally most of the stuff I do. But at any rate, I'm gonna quit rambling. We're heading to the yard. I wanted to get the microwaves done. I might be able to. I may have a little spot I can pull off to the side of the road and just rip them apart real quick. It wouldn't take too long to kind of get it done. Other than that, I wouldn't mind doing that monitor thing too, actually. But I got some really ominous clouds coming, so I'm trying to race against the actual rain that's coming, as we've been drizzling all morning. But things on my mind. Enough of the rambling. All right, so we're gonna have to make this kind of short and sweet. We did get unloaded. My GoPro died, so I did charge it a little bit in the truck, but I don't know how much was on there. So 600 pounds is what we got today. $48, not bad. I guess the aluminum, they did take it as clean. great. We got 100 pounds. That was 100 pounds of aluminum on here. 30 cents a pound, $30 for a grand total of $78. So not bad for getting out, and I mean, I guess getting a little wet. The storms are probably not too far out at this point, I would imagine, but hey, it is what it is. So we're gonna go take this $78 and we're gonna go invest it into some food, and we're gonna get that taken care of. We still got the microwaves, that kind of stuff. So realistically, if I would have got the microwaves cleaned up, I may add another, let's say another $8 for the two. So no, it won't be that much. Say $4 for the two. Yeah, that's better. So not so bad today. Get out and hopefully hit it again. Maybe this stuff will roll out a little bit faster, but I'm gonna end it. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you liked it. Give it a thumbs up. Maybe share it with one of your friends. If you're not subscribed, consider subscribing, and I will definitely see you on the next one. Goodbye.